Embracing drought-tolerant gardening is no longer a trend, it's a necessity. Our gardens can evolve into captivating landscapes that thrive in drier conditions. By making thoughtful plant choices and adopting water-wise practices, we can create stunning gardens that conserve resources. Imagine a garden that celebrates the resilience and beauty of drought-tolerant plants. Vibrant succulents and stately cacti, their prickly armor a testament to their resilience. Picture fragrant lavender and hardy rosemary, adding beauty and flavor. These plants hold the key to transforming our gardens into water-wise wonderlands. They teach us that beauty can flourish in adversity, creating sustainable and stunning landscapes. Let's discover the secrets of drought-tolerant gardening, exploring the benefits and design principles for sustainable, beautiful gardens. Drought-tolerant gardens offer a multitude of benefits, extending beyond their water-wise nature. They require less maintenance, freeing up our time for other pursuits. Imagine spending less time watering and weeding, and more time simply enjoying the fruits of your labor. These gardens are also incredibly low maintenance. Once established, drought-tolerant plants require minimal watering, and their hardy nature makes them less susceptible to pests and diseases. This means less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying the beauty of your garden. Furthermore, drought-tolerant gardens are havens for biodiversity. Many drought-resistant plants attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, contributing to a healthy ecosystem. By choosing a variety of drought-tolerant plants, you can create a thriving habitat for these important creatures. And let's not forget the sheer beauty and diversity of these gardens. From the architectural forms of cacti to the vibrant colors of succulents, drought-tolerant plants offer a stunning array of textures, shapes, and hues. With a little creativity, you can design a water-wise landscape that is both visually stunning and ecologically responsible. Before we delve into the exciting world of drought-tolerant plants, let's lay the groundwork for a thriving garden. Proper soil preparation is crucial for ensuring the health and vitality of your plants. Drought-tolerant plants thrive in well-draining soil that doesn't retain excess moisture. Start by amending your soil with organic matter such as compost or aged manure. This improves drainage while also providing essential nutrients for your plants. If you have heavy clay soil, consider adding sand or gravel to further enhance drainage. Next, choose a location that receives ample sunlight. Most drought-tolerant plants thrive in full sun, which helps them conserve water and maintain their compact growth habit. If you live in an area with particularly intense sun, you may need to provide some afternoon shade for certain plants. Once you've prepared your soil and selected a sunny location, it's time to start planting. Remember to space your plants appropriately, giving them room to grow and thrive. Overcrowding can lead to poor air circulation and increase the risk of pests and diseases. Section 4. A world of drought-resistant delights. Now, let's explore the vast and fascinating world of drought-tolerant plants. Succulents and cacti are the stars of the show, known for their ability to store water in their leaves, stems, or roots. Succulents, with their fleshy leaves and sculptural forms, come in a dazzling array of colors, shapes, and sizes. From the popular Echeveria, with its rosette-shaped leaves, to the towering Aeonium, with its branching stems, there's a succulent to suit every taste and garden style. Cacti, on the other hand, are instantly recognizable by their prickly armor and unique forms. From the iconic barrel cactus to the delicate pincushion cactus, these plants add a touch of the desert to any garden. But the world of drought-tolerant plants extends far beyond succulents and cacti. Many herbs such as lavender, rosemary, and thyme are naturally adapted to dry conditions and thrive in sunny gardens. These aromatic herbs not only add beauty to the landscape but also flavor to our culinary creations. Section 5. Designing your water-wise oasis. Designing a drought-tolerant garden is an opportunity to unleash your creativity and reflect your personal style. Embrace xeriscaping principles, water conservation, efficient irrigation, and mulch. Group plants with similar water needs together. This makes watering efficient and prevents overwatering. Use drip irrigation to minimize evaporation. Mulch retains moisture, suppresses weeds, and moderates soil temperature. Apply a thick layer of organic mulch or gravel. Experiment with different textures and colors. Combine cacti, succulents, and grasses. Use rocks and gravel for pathways and structural elements. Have fun and let your creativity bloom in your water-wise oasis.